guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is RG Vlogs. Welcome to Bengaluru. So I have came to Bengaluru 1 week over. So I thought let me do some vlogs about chest workouts. So I thought let me do today. So without equipments I'll do today all the workouts with to say chest workouts, how much are there. So it's well benefit. I hope it will be very helpful to you all. So let's go on beginning. So I'll say everything, what and all you will be having some improvements, what and all you can improve your muscles. So I'll say to you all. So let's start our video. So number one, this is push-ups. So now I'm going to do push-ups exercise. As you can see, I'm doing the push-up exercises. So this is what and all helpful it will be. So I would like to say what I'm doing the push-ups. So as you can see, my shoulders are out area. So number two exercise what I'm going to do is with the push-up, means wide push-up with the normal push-ups. I would like to say the jumping push-ups. So the jumping push-ups, what I would like to say is it really make us enlarge our biceps too fast, as well as make our immunity boost too fast. Everything, it's very punctuality and what to say, and it helps also. It helps very much. So as you can see, so this is the number 3 exercise. So this exercise name is called super mesh push-ups. So this super mesh push-up, as you can see, so this person is jumping. I mean to say entire body he is making to jump up. So this is only called super mesh push-ups. So which helps you to have a proper immunity boost as well as stability also, and making your body to be in a full body in a control. So you are stabilizing yourself. So it helps for your metabolization, everything. So it helps you to very quick. All time you will be active. So that purpose we do this super mesh. So as you can see, so this person is doing burpees. This is the number 4 exercise. So this exercise is called burpees. So burpees, which helps even as your chest, as well as your inner chest, as well as your upper chest, as well as your deltoids, as well as your biceps is also, it's more improvement. So as you can see, he's doing a burpees, which makes you this one also more stable as well as be fit. So as you can see, so today the top 4 exercises which I have shown you. So this was for your chest, okay, this for your chest as well as your biceps or whatever. It was more useful to you all. So as you can follow to this top 4 exercises, so best for you in your home itself, as you can do without equipments workout. So I would like to say please do follow this, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribing, please do like now only. Don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to hit the subscription button, please. So another one I would like to say, so this is my Instagram ID, as you can see, RG Vlogs. Go and follow. Every day I'll be uploading some reels. So I hope you all go and check it out. As well as you can see, another one vlog. So this is Hindustan Ankit Gamer. So as you can go and subscribe, it's a very best gaming channel. So you'll love his gaming. So please do a lot support to him also. Thank you. So we'll come with the next workout. Let's see tomorrow with the next new vlog. I'll come with it. So till then, stay tuned. So another one thing I would like to say that, so my everything editing and whatever these exercises has been done by Ankit. I mean to say Hindustan Ankit Gamer. It will be in my description and you can go to his channel and you can verify it. Instagram also, it's RG Vlogs. If anything you are having problems, so you can do query with me in Instagram. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like, share and subscribe to everyone. Thank you.